First of all, you need red onion. Remove the outer parts of your red onion. Trust me, if you are suffering from hair growth, you like to make your hair thicker, okay, to regrow your hair, to make it soft. This home remedy will help you to learn how to make it easier when you are at home. It means you have to follow what I do. Yes, carefully watch the video from the beginning up the end, as usual. And leave a comment in the comment section. And it will be good when you leave the name of your country in the comment section. Why not? Because me, I come from Uganda. What about you? Are you from Uganda, South Africa, Indonesia, German, Sweden? Why not? One onion. After cutting, as you see, put your onion which we have cut into your blender. From that, I want you to add for me just a little bit of water. Not too much, but a little bit of water. I'm sorry, but you have to buy a blender. After blending, it means we need our juice. Now, you have to filter your home remedy because we need onion juice. I told you, this will help you to prevent or to stop hair itching, to soften your hair, to regrow your hair. From that, I told you we need Vaseline petroleum jelly. So you need Vaseline petroleum jelly blue seal. For this home remedy to take petroleum jelly, okay? 1 spoon help you. So 1 tablespoon is enough. Now bring it here so that our Vaseline can melt very well. Trust me, it's going to melt. Don't cook, but just follow what I'm doing right now. Okay? Very amazing home remedy for your hair treatment, to regrow your hair. YouTube channel Coach Uganda. If you're on TikTok, link is in my TikTok bio. Remember, this home remedy doesn't have side effects. When you use it, trust me, you'll get good results, and it will help you to treat your hair like the way you want it to be. The same too, it will help you to soften your hair. So hair softener it is. To regrow your hair, I guarantee you, you'll be shocked with the results. I want you to get this home recipe, as you see. Guys, get it. Apply this home remedy on your scalp. I mean on your scalp, okay? The same time on your hair. So I want you to scrub or to massage your scalp gently in circular motion for 5 minutes. At the same time, you can apply it on your hair, but particularly focus on your scalp or focus where you want your hair to regrow. Massage only for 5 minutes, and then I want you to get a plastic bag. It can be anything. Cover your hair for 1 hour. It means after scrubbing, cover your hair for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour, use warm water and shampoo to clean or to wash your hair. Okay? I want you to repeat that procedure at least 3 days in the week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If possible, do it every day, but minimum 3 days in the week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.